Want to make it easier for people to find you on WhatsApp? Here's how to create your WhatsApp QR code. First, open WhatsApp and go to Settings. Here, you can see the option QR code. Tap on it. Tap My Code to view your personal QR code. You can share this QR code with others and they can scan it to start a chat with you. To scan someone else's code, tap Scan Code and point your camera at their QR code. Share your code with friends or business contacts to make it easier for them to contact you without saving your number. Have you used a QR code to connect with someone on WhatsApp? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.